What's up, guys? It is December 7th, I think. Yeah, it's December 7th. Me and Dalton are here out at a property. This is actually the same property Colton shot his buck at. I'm going to get back here and try to shoot some deer. I still got my buck tag, but I also would like to shoot some does if I can. Need some more meat, so we're gonna head back here and see if we can at least get one with the 44 mag. See what we can do. It's Ohio gun season. I got Dalton with me. Colton's filming Josiah, so they're out. I think Josiah's trying to shoot one actually with a pistol, so that'd be cool. So we're gonna get back up on the hill, see if we can get some on the ground. I think she crashed right there. Yeah, I see her. You see her? Yeah. Sweet.
I was on her, but kind of jumped when you shot her.
No, you're good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure she fell right there.
Yeah, I heard her.
Dude, that was good communication. I wanted to make sure, like,
yeah,
you know what I mean? Well, she was the biggest one. She's obviously the oldest. can't really remember. It's probably once you're down. die where we thought. Yes. She's huge.
Yeah.
So she's really big. Okay, so she came in this way. Yeah, because there's blood everywhere. This tree is covered.
That's the tree she hit right there.
That's it, because I saw her hit a tree.
Yeah, it was definitely that one. You like center punch it? That'd be your exit leg.
Yeah. Dude, that is a big doe.
Yeah, it is.
Jeez. I want to roll her over and see where I hit at. Pretty proud of that.
Yeah.
I haven't, like I said, I was telling Dalton, I have not hunted with any sort of, or I have not shot anything with a gun in 11 years. So I'm pretty confident in shooting, but of course you start getting worked up and thinking like, man, I haven't done this in so long. So I'm pretty excited about that. This is a huge doe.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get her down the hill and get a closing interview, get her gutted out and get a tag on her. Okay, so I was able to punch a tag this evening. It's been a pretty rough year for a few of us with missed opportunities. I actually wounded one of our target bucks, and everything in that situation did come out okay. He seems to be fine. We got him back on camera, but it's been frustrating for a few of us. I decided to go out this evening. It's Ohio gun season. Today's Saturday, so it's today and tomorrow is the last 2 days. And Dalton said he'd film me. So came out here and decided I really was just gonna focus on kind of getting back to the way I used to hunt. We get so wrapped up in, you know, with bow hunting, it's months and months and months long. It can wear you down, you know, especially if you're going after a specific buck or even just a few bucks. And the goal today was to just get out there with one of my good buddies, go back to how it was like growing up. You know, I looked forward to gun season growing up, and I have not actually shot anything with a gun in 11 years. This is the first one. So I had some nerves, you know, I know how to shoot a gun, but it was one of those things like it was entering my mind, like, you know, those nerves of messing it up or whatever. But I hit her right where I wanted to. I'm thankful for this doe. This is probably honestly the biggest doe I've ever shot. And yeah, it was cool. It was a good hunt. We saw a bunch of different does. We saw 2 bucks. One of them was really unique. We've actually seen before. We've got pictures of. So it was definitely a good evening. I'm thankful to be out here. It kind of, you know, being able to just, you know, shoot a doe with a gun, you know, throwing on some orange, hunting with my buddy, like, it kind of just brought back memories of like why I started enjoying hunting. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing in town, get it cut up, and I appreciate you guys watching Rugged by Riser Outdoors.
This is the second day of me and Josiah, well, Josiah trying to shoot a deer with a pistol, 10mm pistol. We didn't see any deer yesterday or this morning, so I think we're going to go out and sit at the spot I killed my buck. Mason killed a doe there last night, so I know there's does in there all the time. I know there's a few smaller bucks that Josiah could shoot, so we're going to head out there and hopefully he can get on one. Alright, me and Josiah set up. I'm over top of him right now. We're in a double stand. Well, I'm in a high stand above him. 20 yards. That's all we need. I have a good feeling we'll see deer tonight. They're always in here, so hopefully he can put one down, put the smack down with a pistol. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I got a good feeling, man.
Give me some. Give me some. How do you feel?
That was exhilarating.
Oh my gosh. Dude, my heart was pounding out of my chest.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Damn.
She didn't go anywhere. You dropped her.
I can't believe that, dude. I cannot believe that.
I just can't believe how it knocked it down like that.
I know. She didn't drop.
I mean, even my 350s haven't really done that.
I know. I'll call Asa.
Hello?
It's their poor mama.
Josiah just freaking dropped a giant doe.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's the whole film.
That's sweet.
I know.
Pistol?
Yes. Like, Mason, I'm not joking. Probably like 35 or 40 yards away.
If she dropped?
Yes, she dropped. Yes.
Wait, that's awesome.
Yeah. Okay, well, we're
the
gonna
two
get
babies
We're
are
gonna get down and get her.
kind of sad.
Make sure you get like pictures and everything.
I will. I'll take good pictures.
Alright,
Gone,
dude.
baby.
Bye.
Let's go check out this boss,
Let's
dude.
do this, man.
First year with a pistol.
First time with the pistol, man. Gonna be a new tradition for sure.
Bro, that is a big mama.
Wow. Gosh. That is a big one.
It's a really big one.
Yeah.
I can't believe it dropped her.
I can't believe it. I figured they'd at least run.
Let's see where you hit
I
it.
must have hit it.
Dude, freaking congrats, bro.
Yeah, thanks, man.
That's
Shit.
sick.
Yeah, 10 mil got it done, man.
Yeah. That's badass.
I'm really impressed with these Hornady, what are they? American Gunner. Damn it.
Where'd that one go?
155 grain. Better go ahead and unload this. That was some power coming out of there.
Yeah. Dude, that muzzle flash was pretty insane.
Got that right. Well, we got in there after not seeing anything all day. The woods were quiet, mostly just dead, nothing moving. It was about the last 20 minutes of daylight. We thought, nah, we're about ready to head out of the woods. And then Tufan came in. Then the mom came in right after. She was on to us. And awfully suspicious, but that's the one this is the one I wanted. I wasn't going to shoot the fawns, but she just turned around after I thought she was going to walk away, and she gave me enough time to squeeze the trigger, and she just dropped.
Drop shot, dude.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. I was expecting to have to track the deer with this gun, but I think it's a combination of the 6-inch, almost 6 1/4 inch barrel, and the 10 millimeter, the velocity. It's really a heavy hitter. I'm gonna keep doing this.
It's great.
It's great. Yeah.
Until next time,
Until
we're cooking
next
with
time.
gas.
We're cooking. Yeah.